In this tutorial, I'm going to discuss about shortcuts of MS Excel, and we're going to discuss about a couple of shortcuts. Now, the first we're going to discuss is arrow keys. To move cells up, down, left, and right, we use arrow keys so that if you are using a workbook and worksheet, we can use these arrow keys. So to move up and down, left and right, we use arrow keys. Now, for example, we have a database here and we want to move our database. So we can use these arrow keys to change or and change the sheets and like that. We just can move via cursor. We can use it in the sheets. So up and down, then left and right, like that. Left, this is right, and then we can move back to left. So with that we can change the positions. Next is page up and page down. Move screen and up and down in the worksheet. So page up and page down, for example, our cursor is in the top A row and we want to down that into like this is, you can see 25th, then 50th, then 75. So like that we can page down, and up as well we can use page up and page down like that. Now this is we can use the shortcut. The third is Alt plus page up plus Alt plus page down. So Alt plus page up, for example, we are using database which is just visual to you. So for example, we want to move to that sheet. For example, I just put the cursor, Alt plus page up. I want to move to another database which I have put it at the other part of the sheet. So I just got it. Again, you can see that I want to go to another writer part of the worksheet. I can go that by hitting to Alt plus page up. So like that, I just keep on changing the positions like that. With Alt plus page down, I can move back to my normal position. This is the second sheet, and this is the first one. Another one is Control plus arrow, and Control plus arrow. With that, I can, for example, I want to move the position again in the sheet, and I want to go to the another edge. There is two database. I want, for example, in this edge, I want to another edge of my database. So like Control plus arrow, and I can move to edge. Remember, this is to move edge to edge only. If you have any edge, then I can move to that edge, and with the downwards as well. Control arrow down key, and remember, this will happen edge to edge if your rows of an edge, column has been of edge. Now Control plus home, and another one is Control plus end. Let's find out what we can do from Control plus home and Control plus end. For example, I, as of now, on the home, and then the first part of my sheet, and I have big database there. I want to change my position. For example, somewhere in the middle I am there. I want to go to my home page. So we can just press Control plus home. I will be on the home site. Once again, I want in the last position, I want to end the database. Then I have to move to Control plus end, and then I will be in the last part of the database. So this is how we can move out there. The another uses of Control plus home slash n and Control plus right and left arrow. Let's find out the another uses of that command. Now, for example, I put the cursor and one of the name, for example, it's written something in a Grana Fantastica T form. Now you can see in the cursor in the call it's not fully written, so that's why I'm putting my cursor in the function where it can read out uh, quite important. So Control plus and, for example, if I cross check with it, so I can find out that there is and you can switch to words, for example first and last. You can switch off the words. Now with this Control plus page up and page down, you can go through word after word as well. So with like that, you can cross check the words. You can move the positions from words to words. For example, if it's written a long way. Now another command which we're going to learn is Control plus Shift plus Arrow keys. Now this is basically to select all the database. If I press Shift plus Arrow, then a small database can be selected like that. But if I have worked a lot and if I want to select those, then it may take time. It will take time. In that case, you will get the help from Control plus Shift plus arrow keys, so that you can select the entire column, entire row according to your need, according to your demand. So that is the way we can go through it. Control plus Shift plus arrow keys, we can find out, we can select the entire database with a quick time, with a quick switch out. So this is how we can select copy and somewhere else if we require these much data to paste somewhere else, then we can use it. So this is how you can find out the shortcut key, and remember, these are very useful tools which you can use it. Like for example, just to copy this particular data, just put a quick switch and paste to somewhere else. So this is how we can play with the shortcuts in Windows MS Excel files. Hope you learned something about it. This is very quite simple ways. If for example you have small database, you can switch out like that as well. Thanks for watching.